Welcome to Outfits Garage, where everything is an outfit.
Special thanks to Greer Racing Parts and Fuel, Stevenson's Oil Company, Tharp Trucking, Greg Drury Racing, Archie's Garage. Hey everybody, we are back at Outfits Garage. I'm standing out here beside this trailer. It just got through raining. Ground's sopping wet. Got water standing all over the place right here. But sun's out. Now everything's going to start steaming. It's going to turn about 183 degrees. But birds are chirping. It's fine. We got some rain. We needed it bad. It was bad dry. Anyway, get past all that. I'm going to show you something here that I need to sell. Somebody out there in YouTube land would want this old thing. Right here it is. It's a 62 Chevy truck cab, and I have more than just a cab. It needs a door. I got some weeds growing up here. It needs a rocker panel and stuff like that put on it, but somebody might be looking for something like that. And right, I got out here in my storage, I have got a box of goodies. There's mid-60s Chevy truck parts all in here. I don't know what all there is, but there's a heater control distributor, there's some emblems, there's some marker lights, some door handles, some vent tubes, and I don't know what all's in there, but all of that goes with it. And this right here, this is the frame for that truck. 62 short bed. Right here is the bed. I don't have fenders. I've got tailgate, front panel, side panels, and the floor rails. They're all in there that I can see. It's got two pieces of exhaust pipe here with mufflers. All of this will go for the low price. I've been pricing it on Facebook for $200. If anybody wants this, give me a shout. Give me a shout out. Just message me, whatever there. I need to turn it. I need to get it out of here. So I had one guy was supposed to come look at it on Facebook the other day. Said he'd be here on a Saturday. He never showed up. So it's a little irritating on that stuff. If it don't sell before long, this will be going to a scrap yard. I'm going to turn it into cash one way or the other. So I just need to move it. So if y'all want it, give us a holler. Outfits Garage. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you a few more things here. All right, we are back. We got this high lift jack here. We had this truck here. Let me back this up. I had the truck lifted up on it, and we're going to be replacing the rear wheel cylinders on this truck. It's coming together. We got it running good. I did a start video the other day on it. I think you seen that on the last video where I started. Anyway, we're going to try to start hammering out a few videos, get this stuff out here. You can see it's been setting a good long while. No mildew stain, gas stains around that. Got some moss on it here and there. We're going to clean this whole thing up, make it look good, make it roadworthy again. And yeah, we're just going to try to make this old truck roll down the road again. It was my uncle's truck down in Alabama, and I think it's going to make a good old truck. Sure does run good. And speaking of Alabama, I got some buddies on YouTube that I think y'all guys would like to watch. Their channel is called On the Berm. And take a look right here and see what you think.
Shouldn't plot. This is what we're gonna do today before we work on windshield bar Y'all remember me talking about before how we marked it there? We thought it needed to be wider, but we actually do need to be on that mark. So I'm gonna cut this weld and this weld, and we're gonna slide that column mount over this way. What we don't like much, y'all. We got some more bracing to put in the bottom of that door we talked about. We wanted to get all of our seat and make sure we're done inside the cockpit before we put those braces in. That way we could reach in. I think we're pretty much done in there other than welding. And this tubing, y'all, has a little bit of surface rust on it. So I was knocking the ends off where I'm gonna be welding to. We're pretty sure that the guys that do the powder coat, pretty sure they sandblast everything. So it'll be sandblasted. Put a little slight angle to make the left again the ball good. And me and Pop's done that bar over there. You'll see that all these is notched with the grinder. It's just easier for me. I'm not good at figuring angles and all that stuff all the time, so we just eyeball it, mark it, and go with it with a grinder. So that's what we use as far as bender and then the old Miller-Matic 210. Hopefully she'll keep hanging on for a little while. That thing has been used, y'all, I'm telling you. Pops and I, a little background. Pops and I used to do car washes. Pops done them for 17 years, 18 years. And I done it at just 2 or 3, well, it's about a little over 2 years. I worked with Pops, and I went on to a different job. That's when I left and went into the tool and die world. And Pops had this welder at the company where they done car washes, and we use that installing car washes. All your big tunnel car washes, your self-serve car washes, automatics, all that stuff. We done all that.
I hope you enjoyed that, guys. They some good guys. They doing a lot of work there in their shop, building race cars and stuff. As you can tell, that's what we do. We do race car stuff, and we're race car poor around here. But anyway, that's what we do. But anyway, go over there and give them a like and subscribe, and I believe you'd enjoy their content. He's him and his dad's doing a really nice job building that old car. I've built a few in my day, and kind of enjoy building them, but I don't have a whole lot of time to build anything anymore. Anybody know what I'm talking about? I'm working on building a 75 Chevy truck so that I can have me a little hot rod, but for whatever reason I can't seem to get time to work on it because I'm working on race cars. So anyway, so as you can see, I got another crankshaft laying here. There's a block sitting right here. This has got a bad crank in it, so we're gonna make something happen, make an old motor run again. So but anyway, run on over there to Own the Berm, give them a like, subscribe, comment on their stuff, tell them old Russell from Outfits Garage sent you there. I believe you'll enjoy their stuff. And if you're interested in that old Chevy truck, what's left of it, give me a holler, leave a comment in here. I'm on Instagram at Russell and Kim Merriman. It's all one word. Or I'm on Facebook at Russell Merriman. So look me up, give me a message, holler at me, and if I may not see your friend request, so just send me a message, and I'll see that. But anyway, holler at me. We'll see what we can do. Get you that old truck. We've been asking $200 for it, and that's cheap enough. Somebody wants parts. I've seen the other day a guy took the back of the bed and the back of the cab and made him a footboard and a headboard out of it for a bedroom. So that might be something you want to do. You may want to make yard art out of it. You may want to build an old rat rod or something. So, or you may be needing parts and pieces. Who knows? I don't care. Just come by. Help me out. I need to turn it, need to sell it, and get it out of here. And I'll get that moved. I may be selling the Oldsmobile if somebody's interested in that. It's a 1966 Oldsmobile Delta 88. That's what we got here. I've got somewhere around here, I've got all four all four original tires and wheels, or wheels that went on it. They were 14s, believe it or not, back in the day. But it's got 5-inch bolt pattern. I've got a set of aluminum wheels on it right now. They'll go with it. I've got a 455 block right there. I've got parts and pieces here and there for it. Heads are fresh rebuild. The heads, I got $450 worth of heads to go on this thing because I had them rebuilt. Anyway, I've got a transmission on the other side of the car. Anyway, holler at me. The car's got 72,000 miles on it. So I'd like to turn it. I need to make some room in here. I need to make some cash. So kind of in one of them spots. I need to turn something and need to make something happen. So, but anyway, holler at me. We'll catch you later, guys. This is Russell here at Outfits Garage saying God bless you. Keep a hammer.